The cartoonist Gary Larson once made a really funny cartoon, and it goes like this. An old couple is driving into a small American town, and she says, "Wonder why so many small towns are named after their water towers." I'll let you have a minute to figure that out, and I'll just tell you that you're going to need your black pencils and yellow for this really tall water tower that creates the water pressure for the little village that's next to it. You can even make up a name and put it on the tower if you want. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.